So check it out. Before I put them away, I want to do an all Marx Southern Pacific video of my Southern Pacific custom builds. On the inside is the Arizona Eastern E8. It's got the dual headlights, which is kind of my signature style, as well as the, I guess you would call that the bloody nose scheme, and the E7s. And I also, these were quite the accomplishment, because we took the number boards off the side and we put them on the front, and of course that has the dual headlights too. And then we have the Southern Pacific, I guess you would call it the Golden State theme, the 6000, and we have the K-Line Golden State cars behind that. Then we got a log drag, I guess you'd call it, with the Southern Pacific cab forward, and then on the outside we have the Southern Pacific duplex cab forward, and that's got kind of a mixed bag. So we're going to take them for a spin. We'll start with the Arizona Eastern on the inside. Here we go. Got a few of the searchlight cars that I fixed up recently. All right, they all run great. It was kind of a fun run. They were all real fun builds too. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.